Yo, what's up guys? Average Collector here. Just got done filming this video. Link below. Got a pull. Now this, well, very special. It is a lunch tin thing. I don't know, but I got it for Christmas. And yeah, let's open her up. I don't know. We could get good stuff. We could get bad stuff. I'm just hoping for a rainbow. Like, that's my one wish is a rainbow rare. I haven't pulled one before, but hallelujah, hallelujah. What's inside? Oh boy, pack. Okay, so we got the three ooh. Yo, that Armory Mewtwo one is sick. But those are pretty cool. You know, I'm just going to leave those here. Here's the Pikachu, Charizard, Mewtwo. I'm just going to leave these in the pack because I don't want to damage them. So, for booster packs are Cosmic Eclipse, Unified Minds, Sun and Moon, Guardian Rising, and Evolutions. And here's the code for the whole box. And now it also comes with some pencils. Comes with these. What are these? Notepad things? It does come with a notepad. Okay, notepad. Oh, and a mini little binder. That's cool. Alright, so I gotta figure out where to put this stuff. Let's get in with the pack opening. Let's start off with Evolutions. Maybe I get myself the full art Mega Charizard. You never. Aw, man, I just didn't. Dang it. Well, maybe I get like a break or something. 1, 2, 3. Blastoise, Spirit Link, Switch, Machoke, Charmander, Magnemite, Energy, Growlithe, Machop, Doduo, and Farfetch'd. Let's open up Unified Minds. Maybe get that Mewtwo full art Rainbow Rare. Never know. First Rainbow Rare could be that. Bruh, again. Dang it. That's rough. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. Yes. Noivern, Energy, Tornadus, Jinx, Stumbling Forest, Yama, Yungoos, Cryogonal, Litwick, Drillbur, Salazzle. Oh, I definitely did that wrong. Oops. Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising. Alright, ready? Come on, Guardians Rising. Maybe get me that. Oh, wait. Burning Shadow to Guard. Oh, shoot. That really didn't work. Okay, well, we got. Oh, boy. Hopefully I didn't. Oh, jeez. Oh, boy. Maybe charts are cheese. Fire. Energy. Yangmo-O. Whimsicott. Vanillish. Wimpod. Yangmo-O. Trubbish, Wailmer, Halo, Stuffle, and Rainbow Rare Sylveon. Oh my gosh, no way, my first ever Rainbow Rare Sylveon. Oh my gosh, that is so beautiful. My first ever Rainbow Rare, and that looks pretty good condition too. It is a oh my gosh. A Rainbow Rare Sylveon. Oh my gosh. I have never seen a Rainbow Rare in my life. Well, in person. Yeah, I have. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say anymore. Oh my goodness. It is honestly beautiful. I don't even know how much this is worth. But it's worth everything in my books. Rainbow Rare Sylveon. Oh my gosh, bro. That's just too much for me to handle. Oh my gosh, another white code. Just stop, please. Actually, don't stop. Just keep coming. But please stop. 3, 4. Oh my. Oh, I see something. Oh gosh. Steel, Energy, Bisharp, Torkoal, Gloom, Azurill, Rufflet, Oddish, Ralts, Sandygast. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That's a secret rare! That is a secret rare! Oh my! Oh my gosh! Bro, that is a secret rare. You can see it right there. Right there. It's 260 out of 236. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, I don't know how much this card is worth or the Sylveon. Dude, I literally just got my 2 best cards in 2 packs back to back. Oh my gosh. In a row. I know what the title of this video is going to be. Oh, dude, I'm shaking right now. This is too much right now. This is awesome. This is my set, I guess. I don't even know. Sorry guys, I'm losing it. You see those cards back there? Yeah, they're not gonna be there too long. And those oh my goodness. Well, that's an amazing Christmas present. Last pack, 3 cards in a row. That would be insane, but it's probably gonna be a green code, and I'm not even gonna be disappointed. Oh, gosh. It isn't even a green code. I don't know what I did, but Sunkern, Rapidash, Cosmog, Psyduck, Trapinch, Tangela, and... Oh! Oh my gosh! No way! Oh my flippin' goodness! Bro! Did I seriously just do that? So Galio and Lunala? Oh my gosh, bro. This is nuts. Dude, this is straight insane. Okay, guys, alright, recap time. So Galio and Lunala. Okay? Alright, like that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Sylveon GX. That's also a secret rare. Alright, you think that's not good enough? Boom! Martial Arts Dojo. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, please. Until next time, see you guys later. Bye-bye.